Namaste everybody. I welcome each one of you to Udaya's classroom. In today's class, we are going to talk about types of companies. Come, let's get started with the class. We do have two types of companies. Number one, private company. Number two, public company. We do have some differences between the private company and the public company. First, let's talk about the private company. The private company should contribute as paid up capital minimum 1 lakh rupees. So 1 lakh rupees should be possessed with the private company as a paid up capital. Moving on to the public company. The public company should have minimum of 5 lakh as paid up capital. So the private company paid up capital would be 1 lakh and the public company minimum paid up capital would be 5 lakh. Moving on to the next point. So the minimum members of the private company should be 2, but in the case of public company 7. So the minimum members in the private company should be 2 and in the public company 7 minimum members should be there. And coming to the maximum number of members, maximum numbers could be 50. Maximum, minimum. So maximum numbers could be 50 in the private company, but in the public company, no restrictions. So there is no restrictions in the public company. So private company maximum members could be 50 and there is no restriction. That means any number of members could be the members of the public company. Okay. And next thing is capital contribution. How the public company will be arranging the capital means by issuing the shares of the company, and the public company also by issuing the shares of the company. But the public company will be inviting the public, but the private company will not be inviting the public to buy its shares. Same way, prospectus, printing of the prospectus will be done by the public company. Private company will not be printing the prospectus because it is not going to invite any public people to subscribe its shares. Alright. And one more difference, private company, after the name of the company, it should add limited. That is Ramakrishna Private Limited Company, like that. That is after the name of the company, it should mention private. If it is a public company, Ramakrishna Public Limited Company, like that. The word should come public or private. After the name of the company, it should be mentioned whether it is a private company or public company. Alright. And this public company will be inviting the public to subscribe the shares and the private company will not be inviting the public to subscribe the shares of the company. Alright. Having understood about the private company and the public company, we will end up this session today. I will meet you in the next class with a new lesson. Till then, it's bye from